Have you been curious about Brazilian waxing? Maybe you're nervous, uncertain, or confused. Today I'll guide you through the whole experience. Getting a Brazilian wax isn't just about pain, it's about preparation, comfort, and choosing a great waxer. Before you book your appointment, think about your reasons. Smoother skin, less shaving, feeling confident. All reasons are valid. Finding the right waxer is critical. Look for good reviews, cleanliness, and clear communication. A good waxer can make your first experience much less daunting. Let's get you prepped. Your hair should be about 1/4 inch long. This length ensures a smooth result. Exfoliate gently the day before. Remember to stay hydrated and avoid caffeine on the day, as it can make your skin more sensitive. Wear loose, comfortable clothing. Feeling nervous? That's completely normal. Try some deep breaths to help calm yourself. When you step into the waxing room, expect a short conversation. Your waxer will ask about your skin and any concerns you have. Ask any questions, there are no silly ones. Your comfort is their priority. During the session, your waxer will help you find comfortable positions. You'll feel warmth from the wax and quick pulls. Most people find it more manageable than they expected. Your best tools are slow breathing and communication. If you need a pause, just ask for one. After the session, your skin may feel warm or slightly sensitive. A little redness is normal and usually fades quickly. For the next 24 hours, stick to loose clothing. Avoid heavy exercise and hot showers. It's also best to skip products with fragrances. Using a cool compress or soothing balm can help. Think of this as your skin's rest period. To keep that smooth feeling, exfoliate gently a few times a week and moisturize regularly to prevent ingrown hairs. Most people return every 4 to 6 weeks for maintenance. Regular visits make things easier over time. If you notice small bumps or breakouts, don't stress. With proper care, they usually clear up quickly. And there you have it, the complete guide to your first Brazilian wax. If you feel better prepared or enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more helpful guides. You've totally got this.